ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां सुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान्स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो मायासङ्ख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिजविषयान् प्राश्यभोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ न स्तुरीयः। On page number 18, third last line from Intika. Page number 18, third last line, Intika. तैजसाद उत्पत्तेस्तस्यैव, तस्यैव you put 8 number टिप्पणी. 8 number टिप्पणी says विश्वस्य प्राथम्य आक्षेपमात्राभिप्रायेण आह तस्यैव इति. Everybody found? So Vishwa is understood as first. विश्वस्य तैजसात् उत्पत्तेः तस्यैव प्राथम्यम. तस्यैव मतलब तेजसस्य, तैजसः प्राथम्यम. तो टिप्पणी सेज प्राज्ञस्य ततोपि प्राथम्यम कैमुत्य सिद्धमेव इति भावः. So if compared to Vishwa, Tejas is Prathama because of Karana. What to talk of Prajna, it definitely is prior to that. Tatopi Prathamyam. So that we already saw. So it is said no. Gross is something which is going to get dissolved first. That's why it is Prathama. Or you can say Prathama because it is most evident without even thinking much. What is otherwise known and available, that is considered as obvious for all. That's why first. Whereas what is not obvious for all, the Karana, Tejasa, that is considered later. And its Karana even further thereafter. Further now. अध्यात्म अधिदैवयोर भेदमादाय प्रागुक्तम सप्तांगत्वम आक्षिपति. अध्यात्म अधिदैवयोः भेदम आदाय. Adhyatma and Adhidaiva, they both have to be understood as distinct. Bhedam adaya, Adhyatma means, the simple meaning of Adhyatma means experiencer, and the simple meaning of Adhidaiva is experienced. So the experiencer is different, experience is different. This is how generally everybody understands. And therefore, keeping that distinction in mind, Saptangatvam Akshipate. There is an akshepa on that, because Saptanga is experienced and Ekona Vimshati Mukhaha is experiencer. This Bheda is there. But now here, really speaking, what is the meaning of Adhyatma? There where Aham Buddhi is there, it is called Adhyatma. And there where Devatas are presiding in the form of these Akasha, Vayu, Agni, Jala, Prithvi, Surya, Chandra and Swargadi, all of that is Adhidaiva. So Adhyatma is different where Aham Buddhi is there. Adhidaiva is different where Aham Buddhi is not there, but where I understand these different devatas are existing. Vayu Devata, Agni Devata, Surya Devata, Chandrama Devata, Swargadi Loka, Prithvi Devata, Varuna Devata, ityadi. So Saptangatvam Akshipati. Katham iti Bhashya. Katham ayam atma brahma iti pratyagatmano asya chatushpatve prakrite dyulokadinam murdha di angatvam iti. Your pratignya was ayam atma chatushpat. You said I am going to talk about chatushpat atma. And Ayam Atma Brahma was mentioned as Mahavakya. Ayam Atma Brahma iti Pratyagatmano asya chatushpatve prakrite. So the prakarana started in this way. This Pratyagatma is chatushpat. Then Dyulokadinam Murdhadi Angatvam. Where did this come from? That Dyuloka etc. they are the parts of this Purusha with Murdha. Murdha means the head, crown of the head, etc. Iti katham tika. Brahmani prakrite tasya parokshatve shankite tannirasartham brahmayam atma iti pratyagatmanam prakritya सोयम आत्मा चतुष्पाद इति चतुष्पात्वे तस्य प्रक्रांते द्युलोकादीनां मूर्धादि अंगत्व सिद्ध्यर्थम. So when this shanka is created, Brahmani Prakrite, the prakarana, the topic is of Brahma. Brahmani Prakrite tasya parokshatve shankite. Its parokshatva is doubted. Doubted in the sense, because you said ayam atma brahma. Atma is aparoksha, but Brahma is thought of as paroksha. So then there will be a question whether Brahma is paroksha or aparoksha. Up till now it was very clear Brahma means something paroksha. But when ayam atma brahma is said, then I understand now it can be aparoksha also. That's why if you have parokshatva shanka, parokshatve shankite, then nirasartham brahma ayam atma iti pratyagatmanam prakritya. Brahma is not Paroksha. Now this answer is given, Brahma is Atma. You may have doubt how I can be Brahma, that is different. But Parokshatva Shanka Nirasa is done first. Then to remove that thought, how can I be Brahma, this further process is there. प्रत्यगात्मानं प्रकृत्य सोयम आत्मा चतुष्पाद इति चतुष्पात्वे तस्य प्रक्रांते, देन दैट आत्मा इज चतुष्पाद इति चतुष्पात्वे तस्य प्रक्रांते, देन दिस ब्रह्म इज मेंशन्ड एज चतुष्पाद. द्युलोकादीनां मूर्धादि अंगत्व सिद्ध्यर्थम, द्युलोक एक्सेट्रा ऑल द अदर वर्ल्ड्स, स्वर्गादि एंड पंच महाभूता एक्सेट्रा, मूर्धादि अंगत्व सिद्ध्यर्थम यदुक्तम तद अयुक्तम प्रक्रम विरोधात इत्यर्थः, सेज पूर्व पक्षी. All this that you said, that Atma is Chatushpad, and then Prathama Pada you said Dyuloka etc., which is the Anga of this individual. If you think Murdhadi Angatvam Prathama Pada is of Atma. Atma I understand as where Aham Buddhi is there. Where Aham Buddhi is there, that individual is not understood as having Swarga as his head, etc. So what you have said, Yad Uktam Tad Ayuktam, and it is also not in line with Prakrama. Prakrama means the topic. Upakrama, what is done, it is not in line with Upakrama. Tippani number 1 and 2 you see. तस्य हवा एतस्य इत्यादि वाक्यम. तस्य हवा एतस्य मूर्धा सुतेजा, दैट वाक्य. एतस्य आत्मनो वैश्वानरस्य मूर्धैव सुतेजा, दैट. तद अयुक्तम इति तस्य वैश्वानरात्म विषयत्वेन अधिदैव परत्वाद इति भावः. वैश्वानर आत्म विषयत्वेन अधिदैव परत्वाद. What is ayuktam? Ayuktam means that Vaishwanara, what is said, is referring to Adhidaiva in that mantra. Tasya hava etasya atmanah Vaishwanarasya, like that it is given, right? Atmanah Vaishwanarasya, that Vaishwanara is referring to Adhidaiva. And you are saying all this is for Adhyatma, it is Ayuktam. Vaishwanara Atma Vishatvena Adhidaiva Paratvad. Further in Tika, Adhyatma Adhidaivayor भेद अभावात न प्रक्रम विरोधो अस्ति इति परिहरति. सिद्धांति is doing विरोध परिहार by saying no. Adhyatma and Adhidaiva, there is no bheda. Bheda abhavat. So the Purvapakshi means in general people think Adhyatma and Adhidaiva are different. And this Upanishad is still saying Adhyatma and Adhidaiva are one. In other words, there where my Aham Buddhi is and there where my Aham Buddhi is not, all of that is same. In the Anatma Prapancha, within anatma where I have created aham buddhi, like in deha, indriya, prana, mana, buddhi, etc., and ahankara. And there where I do not have aham buddhi, in akasha, vayu, agni, jal, prithvi ityadi, surya, chandrama, swargadi loka, both are same. अध्यात्म अधिदैवयोः भेद अभावात्, देयर इज नो डिस्टिंक्शन, एंड देयरफॉर न प्रक्रम विरोधो अस्ति इति परिहरति. देयरफॉर देयर इज नो प्रक्रम विरोध. नैष दोषः, सो देयर इज नो डिफेक्ट हियर. बट दिस वी हैव टू गो ऑन थिंकिंग. अध्यात्म अधिदैव भेद I have created because I give so much importance to my own body, and I consider it as a real distinct entity, and this is who I am. So then I will have problems identifying with totality. And that's why many times people like only tvam pada vichara, because in tat pada all this is going to come. So safe is you just do tvam pada vichara and you say I am aham and I am atma, I am drashta. You finish there. But that is not Vedanta. You will have to enter into this tat pada. Which in Tattvamasi also the same thing has to happen. But here, see, in Tattvamasi you do lakshana and you do aikyam in lakshana only. Here in Vachyartha itself he says first you make them one. Don't keep two separate Vachyartha of Tvam-pada and Tat-pada. Tvam-pada Vachyartha is Adhyatma. Tat-pada Vachyartha is Adhidaiva. So don't keep them separate. Put everything together. So now there is only Eka Jiva. Now this Eka Jiva is there because of its Karana, Taijasa, which is there because of its Karana, Prajna or Ishvara, and it is there because of its substratum, Nitya Shuddha Buddha Mukta Chaitanya. In this way the Prakriya is. But you keep everything together in the beginning itself. All Anatma is one. You don't create distinction, I separate, everything else separate. People love to study Mandukya, but Mandukya has expectations from student also. Every Grantha has. Now Hetu. What is the Hetu? Tatra Hetu Maha. Sarvasya prapanchasya sadhi daivikasya अनेन आत्मना चतुष्पात्वस्य विवक्षितत्वात्. सर्वस्य प्रपंचस्य साधिदैविकस्य, the entire prapancha which is along with Adhideva. साधिदैविकस्य प्रपंचस्य सर्वस्य अनेन आत्मना चतुष्पात्वस्य. This Atma, who is Chatushpat, so anena Atmana Chatushpatvasya Vivakshitatvat. That entire Prapancha is included in the Chatushpatva. Sthula Prapancha, Sukshma Prapancha, Karana Prapancha, everything. And this is not Anand Giriji's Vakya, this is भाष्यकार वाक्य. So in Atma, I should Aitare Upanishad Shruti, how does it begin? Atma va idameka evagra asit nanyat kinchat mishat. Then from that one Atma, entire creation started. So Atma alone is the cause. Everything else is expression of that one Atma. Then Atma, if you say is Chatushpad, everything will be included in that. Keep that Shruti in mind. Tika. आध्यात्मिकस्य आधिदैविकेन सहितस्य प्रपंचस्य सर्वस्यैव स्थूलस्य पंचीकृत पंचमहाभूत तत्कार्यात्मकस्य अनेन आत्मना विराजा प्रथमपादत्वम्. आध्यात्मिकस्य आधिदैविकेन सहितस्य, आध्यात्मिक प्रपंच along with आदिदैविकेन सहितस्य प्रपंचस्य सर्वस्य एव स्थूलस्य पंचीकृत पंचमहाभूत. So the entire स्थूल पंचीकृत पंचमहाभूत रूप प्रपंच तत्कार्यात्मकस्य, तत्कार्य मीन्स 3 नंबर टिप्पणी, अत्र विश्वस्य इति शेषः. विश्व इज द कार्य. अनेन आत्मना विराजा प्रथमपादत्वम्. विराजा विराट स्वरूपेण. So this Vishwa is आध्यात्मिक प्रथम पाद एंड विराज और विराट इज आदिदैविक प्रथम पाद. एंड आध्यात्मिक एंड आदिदैव व्हेन दे आर पुट टुगेदर, देन विश्व एंड विराट also will be together. And that's why सर्वस्यैव स्थूलस्य पंचीकृत पंचमहाभूत. In the total Panchikrita Panchamahabhuta, everything is included. That is Virat. Then there is no distinction. Prathama Padatvam. This is the Prathama Pada. Prathama Pada means this is the first aspect of Atma that I should understand. Means what is Atma? Is all gross prapancha, including of the individual. Everything is Atma's first aspect. Entire subtle prapancha, including that of the individual who is thinking, is second aspect of Atma. Total causal prapancha, including of the one who is thinking, is third aspect, tritiya pada. Of Atma means that is me. In this way I have to think, this is who I am. तस्यैव सूक्ष्मस्य अपंचीकृत पंचमहाभूत तत्कार्यात्मनो हिरण्यगर्भात्मना द्वितीय पादत्वम्. सूक्ष्मस्य अपंचीकृत पंचमहाभूत तत्कार्यात्मनः. So this सूक्ष्म पंचीकृत पंचमहाभूत तत्कार्यात्मनः हिरण्यगर्भात्मना. That same thing, it's सूक्ष्म apanchikrita panchamahabhuta and its karya as taijasa hiranyagarbhatmana dvitiya pada. As hiranyagarbha it is dvitiya pada. तस्यैव मीन्स ऑफ द सेम आत्मा आध्यात्मिकस्य आदिदैविकेन सहितस्य देन तस्यैव कार्यकारणरूपतां त्यक्त्वा now up to second pada karya and karana distinction is kept. Keeping the distinction, I say sthula, sukshma, because they have to be separated from karana. Now don't separate them from karana. So karya karana rupatam tyaktva कारण रूपताम आपन्नस्य अव्याकृतात्मना तृतीय पादत्वम. So if you say karya karana I have to give up, is it beyond karya karana? No. Third pada is karana rupatam apannasya. It is karana, but the karya karana distinction is not available in the third pada. It is karana, but distinction is not there, and that's why it is called avyakrita, unmanifest, avyakritatmana. But this avyakrita shabda, according to Sankhya, it is pradhanam. According to Vedanta, what is avyakrita? Correct. Ishvara. Avyakrita is Ishvara, according to Vedanta, which we saw in the second mantra bhashya. So in the Kathopanishad, इंद्रियेभ्य परा ह्यर्थाः अर्थेभ्यश्च परम मनः मनसस्तु परा बुद्धिः बुद्धेरात्मा महान् परः महतः परम अव्यक्तम अव्यक्तात् पुरुष पर. सो महतः परम अव्यक्तम. व्हाट इज दिस अव्यक्त? Sankhya will say this avyakta is pradhanam, but we can take avyakta as Ishvara and still that mantra will fit in. Mahata param avyaktam avyaktat purusha paraha. So greater than total intellect or Hiranyagarbha is Ishvara. Greater than Ishvara or Saguna Brahma is Nirguna Brahma. So that hierarchy will also fit in there in Kathopanishad. This is how it is explained in Brahma Sutra also. So in Brahma Sutra it is refuted that really speaking there is no mention of pradhanam anywhere. Anyway, come back here. So karana rupatam apannasya avyakritatmana tritiya padatvam tasyaiva tu karya karana rupatam vihaya. Now actual karya karana rupa you give up. Sarva kalpana adhishthanataya sthitasya satya jnana ananta ananda atmana chaturtha padatvam. So the chaturtha pada is where karya karana rupatam vihaya, having given up karya karana rupa, sarva kalpana adhishthanataya, that which is the adhishthanam of all kalpanas, sthitasya satya jnana ananda anandatmana chaturtha padatvam, that which is satyam jnanam ananta ananda swarupa atma is turiya, presiding as the sarva kalpana adhisthana. It is the substratum of all. Sthitasya turiyasya. 5 number tippani said it is turiya chaturtha padatvam. Tadevam adhyatma adhidaivayor abhedam adaya uktena prakarena chatushpatvasya vaktum ishtatvat. So of this alone adhyatma adhidaivayoho abhedam adaya. So Vishwa Vaishwanara Taijasa Hiranyagarbha Prajna Ishvara, this distinction is not there. Or that I am different and everything else is different, this difference also I should reduce. See, yesterday when I mentioned that everything is preordained in this way, that it is not your will, actually it is Bhagavan's will who is working. So he says, then should I do any Purushartha or not? So remember, you do whatever you want to do. But if we put forth effort in a direction which is opposite of what is the God's will, then that effort, I will think, has not given any result. Whereas, if I put forth effort in the direction where Bhagavan's will is, then that effort will be fruitful. So now where should I put forth effort? I should put forth effort in that direction where my effort will be fruitful. So this I should recognize. There is nobody stopping me from putting forth effort. You do whatever you like to do, whatever you want to do. But if you get obstacles, if you get pratibandha, then don't get frustrated. Learn a lesson. You are putting forth efforts in a wrong direction. Bhagavan doesn't want you to go in that direction. What we understand is we get frustrated. We say we start becoming negative. We start cursing everything. But we don't learn the right lesson. The lesson learned should be, oh, so this is not how it is going to be. So like any simple example you take, let's say somebody is doing good work. Instead of praising that person, instead of supporting that person, you criticize that person. Everybody will go against you. So where I should put forth effort, that also I should know. Similarly, so that is one thing. Here, this Chatushpatva, when it is discussed, Prathama, its laya should be done, Sthula laya in Sukshma, Sukshma laya in Karana. So that is what is said. Tasyaiva Sukshmasya. First is Sthulasya, then Sukshmasya. Then Karya Karana Rupatam Tyaktva Karana Rupatam Apannasya Avyakratasya. And then Karana Rupatam Vihaya Sarva Kalpana Adhishthanataya Sthitasya. So the next is Karana Rupatam Vihaya Sarva Kalpana Adhisthana. So I should think in this direction of dissolving Prapancha in its cause. Dissolving the Prapancha in its cause. In other words, instead of giving more Satyatva to the effect, give more reality to its cause. That really speaking, this is the cause that I am experiencing. And don't get carried away by Nama Rupa. So tadevam adhyatma adhidaivayor abhedam adaya uktena prakarena chatushpatvasya vaktum ishtatvat. So adhyatma and adhidaiva. Adhyatma adhidaivayoho abhedam adaya uktena prakarena. Having accepted the oneness between these, abhedam adaya, Uktena prakarena chatushpatva. So chatushpatva, you should think in this way. When you will think chatushpatva the way it is explained here, then you will not have this question that the topic is going on is of chatushpatva of Atma. You started explaining Murdha and all these things. What is the connection? Because you have restrained your idea of Atma only within one body, and that is ashastriya. According to Shastra, Atma is Brahma, which is already explained, I am Atma Brahma. So now of that Brahma you have to see Chatushpatva. उक्तेन प्रकारेण चतुष्पात्वस्य वक्तुमिष्टत्वात् पूर्वपादस्य उत्तरोत्तरपादात्मना प्रविलापनात् तुरीयनिष्ठायां पर्यवसानं सिद्ध्यति इत्यर्थः. And as I just now explained, every previous pada should be dissolved in the later. Purva pada's laya is there in uttarottara pada. Then turiya nishtha will remain. So this is a serious business. Otherwise we will study Mandukya, but we will not have this vision. What should happen is all our doubts, all questions, all worries, everything should become Shanta. 6 number tippani says Turiya Nishtha Chatushpatva Kalpana Phalam. Abidance in Turiya is nothing but the result of this Chatushpatva Kalpana. Chatushpatva is also Kalpana. You have thought of, you have come out with this idea to start with gross and to reach the highest. It is like a ladder. You are on the ground. You want to go higher up. So some steps are given. So let us say there are not 4 steps, but there are 4 series of steps, let us say. First series has 5 steps, then 5 more, then 5 more, and then 5 more. And after each 5, there is a level ground. So 5 steps you walk, then further 5. So like that 20 steps you walk. So steps are only to reach up, that's all. Steps are not where you are going to settle down. Paryavasanam siddhyati ityartha. Yadaiva turiye paryavasanam jignasor mumukshorishhyate tada tatvajnana pratibandhakasya pratibhasika dvaitasya uparame सति अद्वैत परिपूर्ण ब्रह्म अहम अस्मि इति वाक्यार्थ साक्षात्कारः सिद्ध्यति इति फलितमाह. यदा एवं when this happens, turiye paryavasanam jignyasoho, then of this jignasu paryavasanam will take place in turiye paryavasanam jignasoho mumukshoho ishyate tada तत्व ज्ञान प्रतिबंधकस्य प्रातिभासिक द्वैतस्य उपरमे सति. Then तत्व ज्ञान प्रतिबंधक, the obstacle which is there in the knowledge which has to take place. So for a jignasu mumukshu, he wants paryavasanam in turiya, but it is not happening. Tattvajnana pratibandhakasya pratibhasika dvaitasya, because there is pratibhasika dvaita. Means Anand Giriji Maharaj is also not hesitating to use this word now. Dvaita is pratibhasika. Means it is like swapna only. Pratibhasikasya Dvaitasya. When that uparama takes place, so pratibandhaka is this. Tasya uparame sati advaita paripurna brahma aham asmi. This vakyartha sakshatkara will happen. Siddhyati. So until I understand Dvaita Prapancha is Pratibhasika, this Sakshatkar will not happen. And that is Tattvajnana Pratibandhaka. The giving reality to this Dvaita is Tattvajnana Pratibandha. So then I think teacher and Shastra, they are the first Pratibandha only. That only I will give up, you will not reach anywhere. All you will do is you will not attend some classes for some time and then you will realize, oh, I am lost now. Then you will have to come back. This is all mental Pratibandha. तत्वज्ञान प्रतिबंधकस्य प्रातिभाषिक द्वैतस्य उपरमे सति अद्वैत परिपूर्ण ब्रह्म अहम अस्मि इति वाक्यार्थ साक्षात्कार सिद्ध्यति इति फलितमाह एवं च भाष्य एवं च सति सर्व प्रपंचोपशमे अद्वैत सिद्धि अद्वैत सिद्धि अद्वैत सिद्धि सिद्धि व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द वर्ड सिद्धि Nishchaya. Siddhi means Nishchaya Jnanam. Good. Advaita is already Siddha. You don't have to do Siddhi of Advaita. You have to do a Nishchaya for yourself that Advaita alone is true. Anything other than Advaita is not true. This is what is needed. This will happen when Sarva Prapancha Upashame, when the entire Prapancha Upashama takes place. Tika. Ukta Nyayena Tattva Sakshatkare Sangrihite Sarveshu Bhuteshu Brahmadi Sthavaranteshu Atmaiko Advitiyo Drashtaha Syat. So, on the basis of this Niyama, Nyaya, तत्व साक्षात्कारे संगृहीते सर्वेषु भूतेषु ब्रह्मादि स्थावरांतेषु आत्मा एकः अद्वितीयः. So tattva sakshatkar will be what? I am in all beings. Sarveshu bhuteshu brahmadi sthavaranteshu. In Brahma also I am. In the blade of grass also I am. Eko advitiyo drashtaha syat. See, this Shravanam is very useful, as you can see, because lot of things are explained and they are repeated also, they are hammered. But at the same time, it should be supplemented by my antarmukha sadhana. Then I will see the result, then I will enjoy all these Shastra. Eko advitiyo drashtaha syat. Eko devah sarvabhuteshu gudaha सर्वव्यापी सर्वभूतांतरात्मा कर्माध्यक्ष सर्वभूतादिवासः साक्षी चेता केवलो निर्गुणश्च. That is the Shvetashvatar Shruti. Here only in brief it is given. Eko devah sarvabhuteshu iti 7 and 8 number tippani drashtah means pramitah. Pramanam spurayati eko deva. How do you say there is only one Atma? What is the Pramanam? This is the Pramanam, Shruti Pramanam, Shvetashvatar Upanishad. And that one alone appears as many. Eko, so Agnir Yathaiko Bhuvanam Pravishtaha. रूपम रूपम प्रतिरूपो बभूव एकस्तथात्मा. So in that mantra clearly says तथा एक आत्मा, एकस्तथात्मा, एकस्तथा सर्वभूतांतरात्मा, रूपम रूपम प्रतिरूपो बहिश्च. So that Shruti, Kathopanishad, you already are more familiar. Shvetashvatar Upanishad, this Shruti is famous. That is also there. तत्र तत्र ब्रह्म चैतन्यस्यैव प्रत्यक्त्वेन अवस्थान अभ्युपगमात्. So in all these places where it is said eko devaha or one atma is there in all sarvabhuti, atma is referred as brahma only. That brahma chaitanya alone is pratyaktvena avasthita avasthana abhyupagamat. Tani tani cha sarvani pratibhasikani bhutani. All those are the beings, they are also pratibhasik. Pratibhasik means they are pratibhasa kale eva asti. That is pratibhasik. When you are thinking of it, it is there. When you stop thinking, it is not there. It is not there means it will, really speaking, what they are saying, it is not there. But you can think of this way. When you stop thinking, they will not give you sukha dukha anymore. They are not going to be contributors for joy and sorrow in your life. Like, I'll give you a simple example. Let's say somebody goes on sending some message. You block that person. Now that person is not going to give any joy or sorrow to you. Whether they are there or not, that world is out. Over. Like when I go to sleep, what do? I block the whole world. When I go to deep sleep, I block everybody. When I wake up, then I unblock everybody. So the same principle is there in the world also, in Jagrat also. Whatever world I don't think of, that part of world, whether it exists or not, it doesn't matter anymore. It is pratibhasika then. It is only there as appearance, that's all. तानि च सर्वाणि प्रातिभासिकानि भूतानि तस्मिन्नेव आत्मनि कल्पितानि दृष्टानि स्युः. They all are kalpita in that Atma, which is none other than Brahma. In that Brahma they are kalpita. तथा च पूर्णत्वम. See, what is Nirvikalpa Samadhi according to Yoga Darshan and all? They would block the world actually. They would stop access to everything by blocking their mind. You do external block, they internally say I am going to block everything. So now no vrittis are coming. I am not thinking about the Bahya Prapancha. I am not worried about the world. This is what you have done. But there it is by vritti nirodha. Sampragnata Samadhi and Asampragnata Samadhi. But here you understand that they are mithya to begin with. You are not making them mithya. They are mithya to begin with. Compared to Paramarthika Satta, they are Pratibhasika only. You just have to get the jnanam of it. Kalpitani drishtani syuhu. तथा च पूर्णत्वम आत्मनः भूतांतराणाम च तद अतिरेकेण सत्ता स्फुरण विरहितत्वम सिद्ध्यति. आत्मनः पूर्णत्वम. आत्मा is purna and bhutantaranam cha. All beings, they are also one with that infinite. So earlier what is said, pratibhasikani bhutani, and now it is said bhutantaranam cha. Atmanah purnatvam bhutantaranam cha. भूतांतराणाम च तद अतिरेकेण सत्तास्फुरण विरहित. दिस वे यू रीड. भूतांतराणाम तद अतिरेकेण सत्तास्फुरण विरहित. ऑल बीइंग्स other than Atma, they do not have Satta and Spurati. This Satta Spurana Virahitatvam in Manasollasa, Sureshwaracharya ji has beautifully pointed out from Dakshinamurti Stotram, Yasyaiva Spuranam Sadatmakam. So the Spuranam and Satta. Satta and Spurti means Sat and Chit. They are there only because of आत्मा सिद्ध्यति. ततश्च सर्वभूतस्थमात्मानं सर्वभूतानि चात्मनि संपश्यन् आत्मयाजी वै स्वाराज्यम अधिगच्छति. दिस इज मनुस्मृति. इति स्मृति ही अनुगृहीता भवति इत्याह. सो सर्वभूतस्थम आत्मानं, I am in all beings. And sarvabhutani cha atmani, all beings are in me. Sampashyan, seeing this very well. Atmayaji, the one who does the worship of self, means the one who seeks self or one who abides in this self. Which self? Sarvabhutastham atmanam sarvabhutani cha atmani, that atma. Swarajyam adhigacchati. Swarajyam 10 number tippani. मोक्ष लक्षणम स्वातंत्र्यम. He is mukta. So the one who thinks of Atma in this way, I am in all are in me. I am in all are in me. Everything is in me alone, and I am all pervading. So then, tatra ko mohaha, ka shokhaha, tato na vijugupsate. He has no shoka, no moha, no vijugupsa. Vijugupsa means Irsha. He doesn't have bhaya anymore. Both meanings are there for Vijugupsa. Bhaya also and Matsarya also. That is called Swarajyam. That is called moksha. Anugrihita bhavati ityaha sarvabhutascha in bhashya. सर्वभूतस्थश्च आत्मा एको दृष्टः स्यात्. Then what will happen is, in all beings one atma will be recognized. Atma eko drishtah syat. Tika. Somebody says, oh, this is Manusmriti Vakya you are quoting. Manusmriti is not Pramanam. न च इदम मानवम वचनम अमानम इति शंकनीयम. इदम मानवम वचनम. मानवम मीन्स मनोहो अयम मानवम. These words are of Manu, Bhagavan. That is what Manusmriti. Manusmriti, then people have lot of objections. And therefore it is not pramanam. Amanam iti na shankaniyam. Why? Yadvai kinchana manuhu avadat tad bheshajam iti shrutehe iti abhipretya darshita smriti moolabhutam shrutim sucheti. Whatever Manu has said, Yadvai kinchana manuhu avadat. Remember who is this Manu, you know, not some Manu next door, Manu Bhai. This Manu is when Brahmaji created Saptarshis and all, and they could not continue the Srishti, then Brahmaji created Manu and Shatarupa. I said, you expand. This comes in Bhagavatam, Tritiya Skandha. And then Manu expanded the Shruti. So this Uttanapada and Dhruva story and all comes from there. And the other one was Uttama. Then Manu Bhagavan must have thought that these people need some guidelines, some explanation. Even if they don't study Shastra, I will give them some And that is how this Manusmriti came. So, whatever is given there, tad bheshajam, it is all medicinal. Whatever he has said, keeping in mind lot of things. You may say, that it was appropriate, everything must be appropriate at certain point in time. We agree. Because Smriti, that is a job of Smriti. That there could be some variation. But in principle, it follows Shruti, which is what is said here. Iti shrutehe iti abhipretya. Darshita Smriti Moolavut. And you know that this quotation is from Shruti. Sarvabhutastham atmanam sarvabhutani chadmai. So, Moolavhutam Shrutim Suchayati. It is indicating Moolavhuta Shruti. See, Sarvabhutani cha atmani yastu sarvani bhutani ityadi shrutyartha in Bhashya, first line. Yastu sarvani bhutani ityadi shrutyartha upasamhritascha evam syat. Yastu sarvani bhutani atmanyevanu sarvabhutastham atmanam tato na vijugupsate. This is sixth mantra of Ishavasya. Yastu sarva. Yasmin sarvani bhutani atmaiva bhut vijanatah tatro ko moha kashoka ekatvam anupashyata is seventh mantra. This is sixth mantra of Isha. Or this same exact Shruti also you can find. Sarva bhutastham atmanam sarva bhutani cha atmani. Anybody? Kaivalya Upanishad. Sampashyan Brahma Paramam Yati Nanyena Hetuna. So you see, even Sampashyan Shabda is there. Sampashyan Brahma Paramam Yati Na Anyena Hetuna. 10th mantra of Kaivalya Upanishad. And then Gita also has a similar thing. So, Anugrihita Shruti is Upapadita Shruti. Yastu Sarvani Bhutani Ityadi Shrutyartha Upasamhritascha Evam Syat. When you do this, all these Shrutis Upasamhara, then only this will happen. Means then you will know Dvaita Prapancha has to be Mithya, has to be Pratibhasika. Only then that Shruti Vakya, this Smriti Vakya of Bhagavad Gita or Manusmriti will all fit in. If Dvaita Prapancha is Satya, then all these Vakyas will not fit in. That is what is said here. There is a big introduction to the next part of the Bhashya. See Tika. Yohi, one Vakya we will see. Yohi Padatrayam Prag Uktya Prakriyaya Pravilapya Turiye Nitye Vignapti Matre Sadanandaikatane Paripurne Pratishtham Pratipadyate Sa Brahma Ahamasmi iti Atmanam Jananah Sarvesham Bhutanam Adhishthanaantaram Anupalabhamana Atmani eva Pratitikani Tani Pratyeti. The one, now you imagine, where else you will find this? How great is this Mandukya Upanishad? People, when they are given this, no, I don't want this, I want something else, I want something. What you are given, you enjoy, this is the best thing. Padatrayam Praguktya, the three padas, Praguktaya, Prakriyaya, Pravilapya. The Prakriya which is given for dissolution, where you have to dissolve, Turiye Nitya Vignapti Matre Sadanandaikatane Paripurne Pratishtham. One who gets established in this way, dissolving Prathama Pada into Dvitiya, प्रथम पाद सहित द्वितीय पाद इंटू तृतीय, प्रथम द्वितीय पाद सहित तृतीय इंटू चतुर्थ। सह ब्रह्म अस्मि इति आत्मानं जानानः, ही नोस आई एम ब्रह्म। सच ए पर्सन, जानानः मीन्स जानने वाला। सर्वेषां भूतानां अधिष्ठानान्तरम अनुपलभवान, ऑल बीइंग्स डू नॉट हैव एनी अदर सबस्ट्रैटम, आत्मनि एव प्रातितिकानि तानि तानि भूतानि, और पादत्रयाणि प्रत्येति, ही recognizes in this way। ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः।